Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Morgana from Cooking, Clean and Everything Between, and today we're going to have another unboxing video, and the product today is from Bespoke Post. This is a website that you can subscribe to or not. You can just go in there and buy whatever you like, but my husband does subscribe to this site and he gets a lot of cool stuff. So my husband does subscribe to this site, and he does pay the subscription, which is $40 a month. And you can skip the boxes if you like, but if you want, you can get a box every month. Like I said, this is my husband's subscription. Usually he gets stuff for him, like jackets, and sometimes they have cool stuff like whiskey things, like guy things. So usually he gets stuff for himself. But this month, he couldn't figure it out what he wanted it, so he just went ahead and showed me the site and showed me what we could get, and I really like what I have inside here, and I can't wait to show you. Let's open up. Let me show you how the box looks like. So it's a pretty big box. Again, Bespoke Post. I'm not sponsored by them whatsoever, so don't think that I'm doing any commercial or anything. It's just like I said, my husband gets a box monthly, and this month he couldn't figure out what he wanted for himself, so he got something for the house, which I lucked out. Okay. Close this up. Okay, guys, so we opened up, and there's a little checklist of what you can make with this. Nothing. So this is a Ravioli Stamp. Super cool. Can't wait to try this. Wow. Wow, this is super cool, guys. Look at it. It doesn't have a... So it's Berghof, I believe the name brand. So, there it is. Super cool. Okay, let me put the trash out of here. There is bubble wrap. Tyson is going to be excited. He's sleeping now. I apologize for the noise. Oh. Cornichons. I think I said that correctly. I'm not too sure. It's like baby pickles almost. Okay. Very nice. What else we have here? Next, we have some mustard, and it's a pepper mustard. Okay. What else do we have in here? So we came with salami. Who doesn't like salami? I love salami. Okay. And this is the best of all. Let me show this to you. This is so cute. So it's a cheese board. It came with the knives. So this is super cool. I love this. So, you can put all the cheeses in this came, so you can serve. I'll probably serve this for Thanksgiving. And that is all for this unboxing video today, guys. Again, it was from Bespoke Post. It's a website that you can subscribe to it or not. You can just go in there if you like what you saw here. It was $40, so you can go in there and buy if you like. I'll put all the links down below for you. And again, I'm so grateful to have you here. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I see you in the next one. Ciao.